And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this 65-watt quick charger. Smaller size and lighter weight, supports multiple fast charge protocols, 90-degree foldable plug. You can see the sticker there on the back, and again, P60. So open it up, you get nothing else in the box there. You get a very nice 65-watt charger here. You can see you have a Type-C here, Type-C here, and a regular full USB-A. That's the design of it. 65-watt logo there. Very nice. There's a comparison of the size. Good size. This just folds out, plug right into a standard American outlet, and they even include you a nice little USB-C to USB-C cable. So, you can plug in whatever device it may be, whether it's an iPhone, an iPad, a Samsung device, whatever. So if you plug in 3 devices, the top USB Type-C 1 gets 45 watts of power. The Type-C 2 gets 10 watts. And the regular USB-A will get 10 watts as well to use the full 65. If you have something plugged in to Type-C 2 and the regular USB-A, they split 15 watts apiece. If you have 2 USB cables plugged into each port, the top port will get 45 watts, while the C2 port will get 18 watts for almost the full 65 watts. And it's the same for if you use the USB Type-C 1 with the USB-A. USB Type-C 1 gets 45, USB-A gets 18. And all of that information can, of course, be found right here on the bottom of the device itself. So essentially, that'll do it for this little 65-watt USB Type-C quick charger. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send it to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.